Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings, and then choose System. Click Display on the left side to reveal connected monitors and layout. Click Identify to show which screen is numbered 2. Select the rectangle labeled 2 so you target the second monitor specifically. Scroll to Scale and Layout to find the Resolution drop-down menu and related settings. This step ensures you change only the second monitor and not your primary display. With monitor 2 selected, open the resolution drop-down and pick a supported option. Choose the recommended resolution such as 1920x 1080 at 60Hz for most monitors. After selecting a new resolution, click Apply to implement the change immediately. Windows will preview the change and prompt you to keep or revert changes within 15 seconds. Click Keep Changes if the image looks correct and the text is legible. If the resolution you need does not appear, update your graphics drivers and reboot. Inspect the physical cable and prefer display port or high-speed HDMI for higher resolutions and refresh rates. Open your GPU control panel, such as NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings, to create or force a custom resolution. Apply the custom resolution there, and then confirm it in Windows Display Settings for Monitor 2. If issues persist, try a different cable or test the monitor at its native resolution on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.